Guys, I don't know, it's kind of bright and windy out here. My kid's probably looking at me like I'm crazy talking to you. But see, we got the trailer. We're about to go pick up something. So kind of get on the road. I'll show you when we get back what it is. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, probably not gonna be on very long at all. It's extremely hot. Actually, a heat warning in effect. So don't know if you, well, the Healey's gone. You saw a video of it leaving beginning of this video, so it's no longer in here. But with that being said, do have a surprise. Been looking at this thing for about 10 weeks. Luckily, everything went good with Healey, and we had a little cash in hand. So made an offer, and he accepted. So without further ado, let me turn you on here and see what the new project is, and then kind of what my idea is going to be with it, as in timeline and video series type thing. But enough talking until I'm starting to sweat already. Let's turn around and I'll show you what it is. This is our new project. It's a 37 International. It's been chopped 4 inches. The suicide doors. Pull the lever here. Suicide doors and small block 350. I think that's he said it was a TH transmission at Camaro, but regardless, we have an extra 350 with a 4-speed that we can put in here if we need to. But this is what we're gonna be working on in the near future. Probably gonna leave it as it is, but I think it's pretty cool. Comes with a bunch of parts. In here there's a whole rewire kit, brake lines, almost everything to get it going. And this is a tonneau cover. It lifts completely up. You have a small section in here for store stuff. Gas tanks back here, the filler. And there's a box in here for the battery and a little cooler. And we got tail lights. It has a roll pan, license plate holder there. It's just a neat little truck. Probably gonna keep it like this for the time being until I decide exactly which way I want to go with it. I just want to get it running and enjoy it. And then can I get that side? That side of the doors is red, which I really don't mind how it looks. I think it's pretty cool. But brand new tires. So the engine's good, but I'm gonna go ahead and block these ports. And this here, they kept it inside the garage, so I'm not too worried about stuff like rust or anything in it. But like I said, we got that engine out there in the Camaro that we can pull and throw in here if we need to. It has a drive shaft, and if you can see under there, but there's still a little bit more welding to do, which I think we can probably handle it. Gonna drop the steering column down a little bit and work out our geometry to go to the steering box. But I think the hard part's basically done. I got everything for the radiator to get it going. And I mean, we got a new distributor over here, which we may put in it. New distributor, Lunati cam, lifters, even a high performance gear drive, but it's a noisy, so we may put that in there too. But yeah, this is what I've been looking at. I was hoping to get it, and I'm glad everything worked out like it did, and was able to get it yesterday. So I'm pretty happy. But with all that being said, we still are gonna make time for the Bronco. You know, I'm gonna try to do one video a week with the Bronco, and multiple videos, hopefully a week with the truck. Because my goal with that truck is to have it going by October. Trying to think about doing a series. I don't know, call it Race to Robbers Cave. But in October, that's when Robbers Cave Car Show is happening, and it's kind of a local show that's pretty big. And I would really love to drive that to it and put it in there. Any other car shows I can get it in before winter hits. But like I said, next time we'll probably push it out, and I'll go around a little bit better. We'll go through the boxes, lift the tonneau cover. Oh, by the way, the switch for the tonneau cover is right here. You just pull that, and somebody has to lift. That's pretty heavy, so may end up putting actuators on it or something eventually. But we'll just have to see how everything goes. Really just want to get it running and driving at the moment, and kind of enjoy it before winter comes. But oddly enough, it actually takes up almost the same footprint as a Healey, so we didn't get any room back, but wife can still pull a car in here, and we can still move the frame in and out, work on the Bronco, and then push the truck in and out and work on it. Probably gonna have my dad up here a little bit, and hopefully some other people come and kind of help me with it. I do have some buddies that I work with that offered help if I needed it, so I'm really gonna push to have this done, like I said, by October, and take it to Robbers Caves. Hopefully y'all see it there. But sorry about not doing nothing this week, but I was too excited to finally have one of the little rat rod that I've always wanted. They done everything to it like I wanted. I wanted suicide doors chopped, shortened bed, you know, big tires. I was smiling the whole way home yesterday with pulling it on the trailer, so I'm happy. But we won't lose focus on the Bronco. We'll still get the frame down and start putting stuff back together, since we have so many parts for it right now. And try to get out here and work on this during the week. So video schedule may look a little different for a few months. I'm going to try to do one video a week with the Bronco for sure, and then try to get here multiple times a week to do videos on this kind of piecing it together, getting it going, and hopefully hearing that engine pop off would be pretty nice. But anyways, hope y'all like the new project, and hopefully we get going by October. Anyways, thank y'all for sticking around. Hopefully y'all stick with me through this. I know most of y'all are Bronco lovers, but I've been really wanting something I could just kind of drive around and have fun with while I'm rebuilding the Bronco. Kind of miss going to car shows and doing that kind of thing. But thank y'all again for sticking with me, and using the Amazon link. That really helps. If you haven't, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help channel. I think we're at $7.95. It'd be awesome to hit 800 here the next week or so. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the new rat rod. Any suggestion for a name, please let me know. Open to off or entertain any ideas. Just something to call it. And may eventually actually do body work and make it like a street rod type thing if I decide to keep it once I get it going. But anyways, thanks again, and I'll see you next week.